we're back here in the house, obviously, to build a display cabinet. And it's going to fit up here on this wall of the model railway train shed. And welcome to Workbench Wednesdays. Hope you enjoy the video. Like and subscribe.
Here's our display cabinet.
Watch out for animals on the line.
Beware of animals on the line. This is ordered from Amazon. It's just arrived. So,
It's not
excuse me, kitty.
Summer.
Meow. We've just opened it up. So, if you take the packaging off, Simon. Take the packaging off. See what we've got. Okay, so there's all the side parts and shelves. There's supposed to be 2 glass sliding doors. I hope there's some instructions at the bottom somewhere. Let's get to work. We're going to build it on the table and take it out to the shed later.
So, we're here back in the train shed to install our cabinet on this wall.
Great intro. So let's leave it rolling while I do it.
Yes.
So we can always speed it up later if we want to. Well, it was quite difficult holding it in place while I mounted it because it's pretty heavy with the glass doors in. If there were a way to remove the glass doors while you hung it, I think that would make it a lot easier to put up. But the nature of its design means that you can't. And that's fine. It was quite an inexpensive cabinet, really. So I'm quite happy with the way it's gone up. I think it's time to load it up with some trains now, which is pretty exciting. And Simon's going to make some labels for it so we can see which train is going to go where on the shelf. So,
I'll show you one of our trains now, just for an example. Tornado.
which one is that? Tornado? Yeah,
That's
we can put
it.
Tornado in there for sure.
Example.
Great, let's load it up with trains.
Yeah.